Simplify 3 minus yi to second power. I is the imaginary unit. We have 3 minus yi to second power. We can rewrite that this is equal 3 minus y times I times 3 minus yi. Or we can use here square of difference formula when we have a minus b to second power. This is equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. In our example, a is equal 3 and b is equal y times I. So I will use this formula, square of difference. So let me rewrite this one more time. 3 minus yi to second power. Or you can always multiply here every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. And the result will be the same, by which I will get from using this formula, square of difference. So let's first do this 3 minus yi to second power by using this form. So this is a square. So in our example it will be 3 to second power minus, we have 2 times a times b, so 2 times 3 times yi plus b to second power, so we have yi to second power. So this is equal 3 to second power is 9 minus 2 times 3 is 6 yi plus, and now we have here y times I, so we need to take to second power y and I. So we have y square I square. We know that I square is equal negative 1. So this is equal 9 we copy minus 6 yi plus y square we will write, and I square we can substitute by negative 1. So this is equal 9 minus 6 yi, and we have positive and negative, so it will be negative. 1 times y square is y square. So this is one way we can rewrite that this is negative y from the highest power, y square minus 6yi plus 9. Or, like I said, we can multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis, and we will get the same answer. So let's do this. We have 3 minus yi to second power. This is equal 3 minus yi times 3 minus yi. So we have 3 times 3. 3 times negative yi, so it will be negative 3yi, negative yi times 3, so it will be negative 3yi, negative times negative, so it will be positive, y times y is y square, and I times I is I square. So this is equal 3 times 3 is 9, negative 3yi and negative 3yi, so we then can combine the like terms. So this is negative 6yi, and we have plus y square. I square is negative 1, so we have times negative 1. So this is equal y square times negative 1, so it will be negative y square. We start from the highest power, minus 6yi, and we have plus 9. We got the same answer. It doesn't matter which way you use, the answer will be the same.